Good morning, gentlemen. Today I have chosen a topic. What is the solution of Indo-Pak problem for my lecture? Basically, to resolve this problem, there are three solutions. First is political solution. Second one is military solution. Third one is change the LOC into international border. So first thing that we got independent from 75 years ago, and from that the problem between Pakistan and India continuously arising. And from the last 7 decades, we continuously annoying and accusing to each other, but there is no definite solution. And all of that it's impacted loss of destruction, loss of economy. We had three wars with the Pakistan in 65 and 48 and 71, but there are no conclusion. There is no satisfactory conclusion between both the countries. So bloodshed and gunpowder is not the solution of this thing. We have to think. I think that India and Pakistani political parties or dialogue at a officially level should there are talks between them and to resolve the solution. So if I'm talking about the political solution, then political solution is one of the best solutions to resolve the things between both the country. But it does not materialize due to the following reason: that Indian government always believe that the Pakistani army does not allow to their political leaders to take any action. That whenever the political parties of India and political parties of Pakistan did any agreement or did a talk, then the Pakistani army completely interrupted it by crossing the LOC, by broken the ceasefire rule. And after that, our former Prime Minister also Atal Bihari Vajpayee starting a bus service between the New Delhi and Lahore, but is completely nullified by the Pakistani army and during the Kargil operation. On the other hand, Pakistan blamed that our Indian government not have a continuity in their political party, like after 10 year or 15 year they have completely changed their political party. So the government not have enough time to resolve this issue. On the other hand, if I am talking about the military solution, then the war is not given any particular solution or any satisfactory solution. It cause always a loss of destruction or loss of economy. We had three wars with the Pakistan 48, 65 and 71, but we at all the time we got only a destruction and a loss of economy both the countries, and their image is also at international level is down. And after 84 we had Siachen Glacier War, and in 1999. And if I am talking that in 1999, then Indians spent 2000 crore and Pakistani also spent 1000 crore on it. So we both are the poor countries and we have no enough rupees that we are spending on a war, such types of things. And one thing is that we both are the nuclear power, and if the war happen at the next time, then the both countries should use nuclear power. And if the nuclear weapon is used, then God may know what will be the outcome. So war is not a solution. The best solution is discussion between the political party to resolve the problem. Third thing is that to change the LOC, line of actual control, into international border. And when the British army, when the British left our country, then they clearly demarcated the border between India and Pakistan. But the Pakistan from the initially not accepted the border, and he attacked on us in 1948 to an answer to smashing the Jammu and Kashmir, but the Indian army pushed back it. So this is also not solution. So I think that the best solution to resolve this issue, that India and Pakistan both encourage the sports activity between both the countries, that the cultural awareness occur. And Indian government should isolate the pan-Islamic groups of Pakistan, like pan-Islamic groups like uh, Jaskari Taiba groups, many other groups which dominated the Jammu and Kashmir militant groups, Hizbullah Muhaddin, and that's all. Thank you.